703.
Both hold line. Oh God. Okay, good.
It's gonna sink, bro. It's gonna sink. Wow.
Focused. This is a lot happening. It's a lot of stress. Even if you're feeling under control, the person next to you might not. And that was really an example of what we're seeing here. Look at them sharing water just out of the cap of that bottle. It's fantastic.
Yeah, I'm not sure that was water.
Well,
but
whatever they need to feel better, guys. Let's just let that one. Let them have a little.
We'll continue to monitor this and
have what they need.
If they should. We'll monitor Bill's video and if they should.
There's the water. See,
all right,
I told you they
excellent.
had water.
Thank goodness for that.
And
You get even more. Hear over 100 extra channels of music made for every mood and activity. Watch SiriusXM video from your favorite shows and more. There's a lot of reasons.
I don't get it.
Call 844-711-8800 for more details and to subscribe. It's the 121st U.S. Open from Tour.
There is.
Bro! Oh my God! Bro! Oh my God! You fucking you fucking done, boy! Wait. Got him. You got him. Qualified captain.
Oh, yeah.
And why they fucking told him over there?
That's probably that.
Look at this.
I'm gonna check
Look at the truck, too.
Fucking.
God.
He's like,
Look at this. He's bought him right out.
oh.
Fucking Chevy for you.
It's gonna fall off the trailer.
Next time I go shopping for something, I'll just get whatever.
Yeah, there it goes. Can't do that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you gotta go right some ways. You just rode over that other boat.
Se soltó el bote y Fabio tuvo que tirarse a rescatarlo. Se soltó, se rompió la soga y Fabio tuvo que tirarse a rescatarlo. Ay, ay, ay. Esto va a estar bueno y esto va a estar bueno. Dale, manín, dale, que tú eres de los buenos. Ya ahí está bajito, ahí está bajito. ¿No está fría?
Gotta swim to get his sea-doo.
Afsaladı.
Jawohl, der hier drin.